this is leftover plastic from my super shelters, so thought I'd make a window. To do double pane. Damn it. Damn. There's a big gap there, for fuck's sakes. Right. Oh, my battery died, so I didn't get to film this part, but as you can see, I used my little poles here. I just want to make a brace for the back for these beams here. All right, finally, I got my back wall and my window done. It's a bit challenging, but I got it done. Just need to chink it up with some moss, which I have collected, but this moss is really for my roof, so I don't think I'll have enough, but we will see. I will have to gather some more. Looks good, coming along, coming along. So next time I come out, I'm going to finish off the side walls here. I'm going to build those up. I'm going to replace those smaller logs there. Build it up a little bit and then secure the tarp a little bit better. Once I secure the tarp, then I can get started on adding my moss. Voila. I can't tell you how happy I am to be back out here. I actually get to spend the night. This will be the first time I can spend the night under this new shelter, so I'm really, really looking forward to it. I've been building this since, I think I started in July, and pretty much just been out once a month. That's as much as I could do this year. Hope to get this shelter all done long ago, but oh well. So what I need to do, this is an old tarp. I use this with my former lean-to shelter, so I need to patch some of the little holes in it, and actually I'd like to reinforce some of these points up here. I brought some clear tape, so that'll do. All right, I have everything tapped in and tighter. Don't know if these little staples will hold out for very long, but we'll see. So now I need to figure out how to weave some branches on here to hold my moss. Canadian jam knot. Just so you know, I did sustainably harvest this moss. It was quite a large forest of moss, and I was sure to space it out quite a lot. And as I was picking it, I Put some little patchwork moss in between in the spots that I was picking so that it would kind of not be such a big hole of moss. So I tried as best as I could to sustainably harvest the moss. It is a big roof. I didn't want to take that much, but hopefully it'll be good. Alright, so I did bring some firewood just so I could spend as much time as I could doing my shelter. And you can just throw these logs on, get a fire going quickly, so that's good. Alright, I only have a little bit of birch bark, but hopefully that's all I should need. I feel pretty confident in my fire starting abilities. Voila. A little bit of wet stuff. Gathered it from the ground. I shouldn't have. There we go. It's fine. All is good. Well, that was still a long day as usual. I didn't get nearly as much done as I had hoped. It is a lot of work, especially trying to weave those little branches in there. And I got half of my moss up, so that's good. But it's a beautiful evening. It's cloudy. Unfortunately, I was hoping to see some northern lights. But oh well, it's beautiful outside. Anyway, cheers. Sadly, I brought some steak and I meant to bring some potatoes and I forgot my potatoes. So it's just carnivore tonight. It's only getting down to about 4 degrees tonight, 4 degrees Celsius, so that's still pretty decent. Right now It says it's 6 degrees Celsius, so pretty nice fall night. Awesome. All right, time for bed. It was a great day. It's a long day. Didn't get done everything that I wanted to get done, but that's the way it goes out here, right? It just takes so much time, much longer than you think it's going to take. So anyway, it was a great night, and I look forward to sleeping in the fresh air and waking up in the morning and having some nice breakfast outside. See you in the morning. Beautiful morning. I have lots of work to do, so I better get up. All right, I got my moss done. The roof is covered. The walls are risen. Didn't get a chance to do the side walls, but I was able to moss in the back wall. Oh, a couple little spots in there that I missed, but I'll get that the next time. Awesome. So glad to get this done before the snow flies.